Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Discord in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Discord. Now go to your account. Present your friends. Select your friend. Now present three dots. Click on block. Present block. That's it. So this is how to block someone on Discord in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.